Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we will explore D-Wave Quantum in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 8th of May 2025, our system has identified D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.42. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of over 43% since we first designated D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate 31 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.4% per day since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the lower range of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically indicates a promising buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $13.41 is breached, it will first suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 127.72% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging between 104.38% and 254.32%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 243.12%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 98.96% to 363.67% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $29.72 and $69.27. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline, "A decline on Monday for D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock after losing 4.54%. The D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock price fell by 4.54% on the last day, Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, dropping from $15.65 to $14.94. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.01%, ranging from a low of $14.21 to a high of $15.35. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of 19.76% during this period. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive indicator as volume typically follows stock performance. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 12 million shares, with a total of 43 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $648.23 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $19.77, while the lowest was 75.1 cents. Currently, the price is 24.41%, or $4.83, below the 52-week high of $19.77. Which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated, trading under the ticker QBTS, is making significant strides in the quantum computing sector with a recently announced partnership in South Korea. This collaboration involves a memorandum of understanding with Yonsei University and Incheon Metropolitan City to enhance the adoption and exploration of quantum computing technology in the region. Such international partnerships are crucial as they expand D-Wave's market reach, addressing concerns regarding the company's current reliance on a limited customer base for generating revenue. Recently, QBTS has experienced substantial volatility, surging by approximately 88% over the past 3 months, fueled by global agreements and heightened investor interest in quantum technology. Investor sentiment has been bolstered by the broader excitement surrounding quantum computing, as stocks across this sector witnessed dramatic increases in 2024, with companies like Quantum Computing and Rigetti Computing skyrocketing over 1,000%. Analysts have reacted positively to these developments. Roth Capital recently raised its price target for QBTS to $18 per share, highlighting its potential for greater revenue growth. Furthermore, investor enthusiasm is exemplified by the endorsement from influential figures in the tech field, including NVIDIA's CEO. In the short term, these partnerships and analyst upgrades could lead to increased buying pressure, driving up the stock price further. In the long term, sustained international expansion and technological advancements may establish D-Wave as a leader in the evolving quantum computing landscape, potentially enhancing its valuation significantly. Overall, the current momentum suggests a favorable outlook for QBTS as it strengthens its foothold in a competitive market. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade alongside a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, Benchmark also rated QBTS with a buy grade and a hold action. On Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, Rolf Capital provided QBTS with a buy grade and a hold action as well. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, B. Riley again rated QBTS with a buy grade and a hold action. Lastly, on Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, B. Riley initially rated QBTS with a buy grade and an initialize action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is also rated as strong sell, along with the price-to-book ratio. Regarding return on investment, the analysts again rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. The stock of D-Wave Quantum Inc. presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, a general buy signal is indicated, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Should there be further gains, the stock is expected to encounter resistance around the value of $15.56. If the stock experiences a decline, it will likely find support near the long-term average at approximately $14.44. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will activate a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 22, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 21.53%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 89 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 32 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 162 days ago. For further signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $13.15 and $12.25. Without support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk increases, as a drop below the support at $12.25 may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is regarded as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.14 between its high and low, representing an 8.01% change. For the past week, the stock has seen a daily average volatility of 6.97%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies may face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios might suggest insufficient profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 7 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $15.36. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $13.15. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from various analyst sources indicates a strong sell. Let's review some recent insider trades. On the 12th of June, 2025, Nielsen Kirsten executed an insider buy of 58,644 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 16th of June, 2025, Nielsen Kirsten made another insider buy, this time acquiring 13,000 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, DeLillo John D. conducted an insider buy of 20,000 shares of common stock. On the 13th of June, 2025, DeLillo John D. made another insider buy, purchasing 22,000 shares of common stock. On the 16th of June, 2025, DeLillo John D. conducted yet another insider buy, acquiring 15,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the calculated insider power is negative with a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $14.31, reflecting a decline of 4.22%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 20 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, alongside a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, June 24th, we anticipate D-Wave Quantum to open lower by approximately 10.6 cents, starting at $14.83. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.